guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that are new to my channel and don't know me, my name is Tyse and I do a lot of hair videos, cooking videos, I do a lot of vlogs as well. So if you're into that kind of stuff, and I also do some random things that, you know, just comes to my mind. So if you're into that stuff, please hit that subscribe button and you'll be seeing more videos. But for today, we are gonna be doing something related to hair, and it is something that I just recently purchased, and guess what? It is from Amazon. As you guys know from the title, I purchased these hair extensions that had not too good of a review, but it looked good in the pictures and it was pretty cheap. And let me tell you a little bit more about that. Okay, so about the hair extensions that I got, it is, let's see, what is it called? I don't even know what it's called. Well, first of all, it's 24 inches long, 160 grams, which is not that much, and it's also synthetic. It is not real human hair. About this item, we do not suggest that you blow dry it, do not curl it, do not dye it, or wear it when you're sleeping. There are, I believe, 24 different colors that you can choose from, and it looks like here there's 7 pieces per package, and there's all of the description. I'll have the link down below if you decide you ever want this, or if you want to see more of the descriptions down below. Let's see here, you can wash it, do not blow dry it. You can easily use a mild shampoo and conditioner to clean the hair. And yeah, that's about it. Did I say that it was 24 inches long? And it was only $12.99, and I got it off of Prime, and I got it in 2 days. Did I say Prime or Prima? Prime, that's what I meant. And yeah, so, and it's also in my color hair, which is dark black. Yeah, without further ado, I'm so excited. I have not opened this package up yet, and I'm gonna open it right now and have you guys check this out with me. Now, as you guys can see, my hair has a little bit of wave to it. As I'm cutting this, I hope I do not cut the hair. Interesting, it comes in a package like this. I'm holding it upside down because it's here. Open from this side, it says, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This is what it looks like. Pretty darn close to my hair color. So like I said, this one is in dark black, and it has a little hairnet or pantyhose, whatever you want to call it. I guess it is a hairnet. And look, it does have a wave at the bottom, so it'll probably match this nappy stuff. So let's carefully go ahead, and this is what it looks like it's called. Latina fashion. It is clip-in. I did not say that. It is a clip-in extension. So there's 7 pieces. There is directions on how to place these, but I've done clip-in extensions so many times. I pretty much got this figured out. Oh, and good, look, just in case any of the clips break off the wefts, they provide you with extra ones. And thread as well, so that's a good thing. This is how it looks like. Guys, when it comes to extensions, I know you should get the highest quality, but I'm doing this so you guys know, and if you guys don't like it, then you know not to purchase it. And so I'm pretty much your guys' guinea pig when it comes to hair tools and stuff like this. So, okay, let's get back to this. 7 pieces. Here's 2, okay, let me lay this on my lap. Here's 2 pieces right here, which are very small. They said they were 24 inches. I measured my hair with one of those construction, what is it called, that tape measuring thing, and it looked like my hair was almost 20 inches long, so hopefully it blends in well. So that was 2. Here's a 3rd piece, which has 2 clips. Here's the 4th piece with another 2 clips. 5th piece with 3 clips. Another 5th piece with 3 clips. And then the last and final piece with 4 clips, which is the longest part. So, I don't know about you guys, but I have a pretty large head, and I have pretty, I would say medium hair, sometimes coarse, depending on the day. So I'm gonna place these on according to the way my hair is, and I pretty much know. So make sure you have a hair clip handy dandy with you, and a comb. And if you have really fine hair and you notice that clips don't stay in your hair too long, then you're gonna wanna tease your hair. Okay guys, so my camera battery just died. I hate when that happens. And now I don't know where I left off. So I think last I was saying, if you have fine hair, then go ahead and tease your hair at the base of your root and at the base of your hair. And with this clip, you're gonna wanna put this onto that tease just so it's more secure. Now my hair, it hangs on, so I don't need to tease my hair.'t we're gonna wanna get clean sections as we're putting this in. And you're gonna kinda wanna measure it out on where you want all of your wefts or your clip-ins to go. So what I'm gonna do is, I always work from the back section and I go up and then I do the sides. So I know, like I said, I have a big head, so I'm gonna put the biggest one kind of right above my ears. I think that's where I'm gonna want that one to go. Do the 4s. Okay, I'm just gonna start off with this one in the very middle, just because I know that's where this is gonna go, and from there I'll figure it out. So what I'm gonna wanna do is go ahead and clip away the hair on where I'm gonna put it. Sorry you guys can't see it, but you guys kind of get it, right? So I'm gonna put my hair half up because I know that's where I want this one to go. I'm gonna get the largest one. Now I'm gonna snap each one. Now the quality of this hair, you can easily tell it's synthetic. Yeah, it's really shiny compared to normal hair, but hey, for the length and for the amount that you get, I would say it's pretty good. Now when you put it on, you're gonna snap it onto your hair as close to your scalp as possible and then close each of these things, okay? So we got them all open. I'm gonna find where I'm gonna lock them in. Push it against your head. Close it down, just like that. So now it's secured right here. So now I have 6 more pieces. I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna want those to go. Now I believe I'm gonna put the 2s on both sides. Push this all back. I already feel like that's super full. Let's see, where am I gonna put? I think I'm gonna put these 3, this 1 3 at the very bottom, right by where my neck is. So I should have done this one first, but oh well. Unlatch this. Now if you don't use all of the wefts, it's totally okay. Everybody's head is different. Okay, let's see what it looks like so far. Whoa. That is a lot of hair. For the price, I think it blended in really, really well. So let's go ahead. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna be using this other 4 or this other 3. It's already feeling pretty heavy on my head. I think I'm gonna put the 1s right at the crown of my head right here. Oh my God, you guys, this is so quick and easy. And you guys, I think I am done. I'm gonna actually kind of blend my hair in with this one. This is what 6 pieces of the Amazon cheap extensions. Where did it go? Super cheap. It is called Lelinta, like I showed you guys in the beginning. You guys can see that. And it was super duper cheap. Yeah, so you guys let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is what it looks like when I stand. It's kind of curly. I wish it was brushed out a little bit more. So this is the back. Hopefully the back looks okay because I don't know what the back looks like. You guys see that? Is it blending in well? Okay guys, so that is the hair extensions. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a full view of it, slow motion, and I'll also put a before and after picture right after that so we can kind of compare it. So let's go ahead and do that slow motion. Let's go. Okay you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that slow motion. It was so hard to do it because these extensions are so long. If they were straight, they would literally hit the bottom of my waist. That's how long these are. So let me give you guys a rundown one last time. It is called the Lelinta. It has 7 pieces, 16 of those clips, and then you get those extra ones. And this is in the wavy, in the black color, and it's on double weft hair extensions. And like I said, I'm gonna list everything down below in the description box. If you guys are interested, go ahead and click on the link. And yeah, go check it out because they have so many options. It was only $12.99. And with your Prime, if you do have Prime, you get it. I got it in what, 2 days, which was so quick. And just remember, this is synthetic hair, so you're not gonna wanna color it, not gonna wanna curl it, or you're not gonna wanna blow dry it. But you can shampoo, clean it, condition it, whatever else you wanted to do with it. And like I said, right now my hair feels super full and it's not too heavy. I think if I put this last one on, it's gonna be a little bit too heavy. So having 6 in my hair is perfect. And I don't think I can even see my real hair. Can you guys see it? Because my real hair is maybe like here, or I don't know where it is. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys are on Instagram, go ahead and add me. I'll have my name right here, Mr. Tice. Add me on Instagram, send me messages, let me know what you guys want to see next, and also drop me a message down in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll be getting more videos every single week. And hit on that thumbs up button if you guys like this. Or if you guys are into extensions, hit that thumbs up button as well. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with these results. So anyways, you guys, hope you guys had a great time. I will see you guys again next week. All right, take care. Bye.